Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in HarborOne Mortgage account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. So if you want to manage your mortgages and loans in HarborOne, what you have to do is simply log into your HarborOne account. For that, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in harborone.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of HarborOne. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for login or enroll. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be redirected to the new tab. From here you'll be able to log into your HarborOne bank account. If you log into your account, you'll also be able to manage your loans and mortgages. So simply log into your account by providing the user ID and password. Click on the field of user ID and enter the user ID over here. Now click on the field of password and enter the password. Now after you enter the user ID and password, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. After that, if you have enabled the two-factor authentication, you'll also have to go through it and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in HarborOne Mortgage account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.